Okay, here I am, Leon Southern Style Pressure Wash. Show you what this house looks like. See all that mold and mildew on it? Now, I'm going to treat it. And as I treat it, you're going to see the mold and mildew come off of it. Change my tip out. You should see it just start peeling off. See the gutters, all the mold and mildew on this house. See it peeling off. I hadn't even rinsed it yet. You see it coming off. Once I come back and rinse it, most of this is going to be gone. I'm just applying the soap and the bleach to it right now. It's Saturday. And I'm out working. Been out all morning. Be working all day. I got a full day on Saturday. We work 6-7 days a week right now. We're so busy. We wash 600 houses every year. Probably more than 600 now. That was 600 the last 2 years. And we pick up new customers just about every day. Alright, I'm going to let that eat a little bit. You can see it already coming off. I'll come around here in a minute and rinse it down with water. This here I just soaked. It was all green. I even cleaned their chairs. At Southern Style we always do a little extra. So the man's chairs was all moldy and mildewy. So I put a little bit of bleach on them. Got them all cleaned up. We always go the extra mile. Alright, I'll give you a finished result here in just a little bit.